The brand sent me their TubShroom Toss disposable drain strainers to try. And after using them in my own bathroom, here's my experience. This pack includes 21 individual strainers designed to catch hair before it clogs your tub drain. If you deal with hair fall like I do, these are a game changer. They sit flat in the drain, don't block water flow, and collect loose hair effortlessly. No mess, no tools, no touching anything gross. Installing one takes seconds. Just press it into the drain. When it's full, toss it and replace. No cleaning, no digging. It's perfect for daily use, especially in homes with long hair, pets, or multiple people sharing a bathroom. They're simple, effective, and honestly make drain maintenance a lot less annoying. If you're tired of slow drains or pulling out hair clogs, this is an easy fix to keep stock.